Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Imagine a person X has been arrested and formally charged with a crime, full stop. Soon enough, they will be presented before a court of law, and then the judge presiding over their case shall have to answer a fundamental question whether to release the person on bail, thereby restoring their liberty, or whether to keep them detained till the conclusion or a portion of their trial, full stop. New paragraph. This is an intricate, highly sensitive task, for it involves counterbalancing a number of contradictory principles, each critical in its own respect, full stop. First and foremost, X has the right to be presumed innocent until their guilt is established beyond reasonable doubt in a fair and expeditious trial, full stop. As part and parcel of this presumption, it becomes unjust for the law to deprive them of their freedom unless they have been convicted and ultimately sentenced. For if they are indeed blameless of the crime, their detainment is tantamount to punishment itself, full stop. New paragraph. However, just as the law must deem that X is innocent, it must simultaneously keep its mind open to the possibility that they may actually be guilty, in which case they may skip town or flee the country or destroy or invent or tamper with evidence or even intimidate or outright kill witnesses, all shockingly common occurrences in our country, full stop. And so X against a X's individual right to liberty must be carefully weighed against a collective interest, the proper administration of the criminal justice system, which in turn necessitates that X dutifully appear before the court whenever summoned, full stop. New paragraph. As the law stands, judges enjoy a considerable degree of latitude in granting bail and even exercise it to be fair. However, this grant is always subject to a central condition, the execution of a bond, one by the accused and the other by a third party that acts as a surety on their behalf and basically takes charge of producing the person before court, full stop. These bonds are essentially monetary undertakings whereby both pledge to pay a certain sum of money in case the accused fails to attend their hearings as directed, full stop. Upon default, the amount stands forfeited and may be forcibly recovered, full stop.